There were 3 close calls during one morning drop-off outside Balaclava State School. With no designated zone for parents to pull up, students have to cross the roaring Macomb Street at the corner of the Bruce Highway to get to class.
There's no footpath here, there's not enough safety. It's very dangerous for these young little ones to be crossing this very busy road.
Parents have approached council asking for a pickup zone at White Street. They claim it was knocked back due to budget restrictions.
Terry James flatly refused to do any work.
Council candidates Rob Pine and Shane Cuthbert pledged to fix the footpath outside the Balaclava Primary School.
We have agreed to use our discretionary funds together in our first 12 months on the border of Division 4 and 5 to reinstall a footpath.
It's highly dangerous. It's always been highly dangerous.
Sophie McManus, 7 News.